Very happy Navratri to all of you guys. Today I've got something super exciting, and honestly, you don't want to miss this because Apple's college student discount offer is live right now and it's valid till 30th of September. And here's the best part, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, right from checking the actual price, comparing it with student offer to showing you exactly how much money you'll end up saving by the end of this video. And trust me, the savings are big. Hi, my name is Ashwin. You're watching Tech by Ashwin, and let's make tech simple. Before even we get into the discount, let's quickly see what a normal consumer, someone without a student offer, would have to pay. Let's take an example. I'm selecting iPad Air, 13-inch, space gray with 256 GB storage, Wi-Fi, and yeah, let's go back. The price shows up to 89,900 rupees. If you want a cellular model, it shoots to 99,900. I'm just going to skip the engraving for now, and let's select the Apple Pencil Pro. That's another 11,900. Add Apple Care Plus protection, another 9,900. I'm not going to add it. So if we see, if we add it up, iPad Air plus Apple Pencil Pro, the total comes to 1,01,800 rupees. Without the Apple Care, that's our baseline. This is what a regular person pays without a student discount. And now let's see how much we can save with the student offer. The first step is super important. You have to go through UNiDAYS. This is the official student discount platform partnered with Apple. Now just open myunidays.com. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description. Now let's head and create an account using your personal email. Then you'll get an OTP. Just go ahead and verify it. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard with different brands offering student discounts. Quick note, I am not sponsored by UNiDAYS, just showing how this works. Now here's the main part. You need to verify that you're actually a student, and you can do that by going to your account, and you can select the student status. Mine is already verified. Anyways, I'll go ahead and re-verify it for you. So you just have to enter your university's name. Here's my university's name, and let's click on. Here you have to put in your official university email address. Now UNiDAYS will send you an email with a verification link, somewhat like this. Click on that and boom, you're verified. Once you're verified, you'll unlock all the Apple student offers. Now that you're verified, go to the technology tab on UNiDAYS and you'll see a bunch of brands including Apple. Click on Apple and you'll see discounts on iPads, MacBooks, iMacs and more. For today's example, let's stick to the iPad Air. So you'll notice a button saying get now or activate discount. Once you click it, you'll get straight to the Apple's education store. This is Apple's official store, but with the education pricing applied. You can see here that the offer is active and it ends on 30th of September. The structure of offer is simple. Buy an eligible Apple device like iPad Air, iPad Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, and you'll get an accessory like Apple Pencil Pro or AirPods 3 at a massive discount. In some cases it's basically free. So if you see AirPods 4 over here, you'll be able to see that the cost is at 12,900, which you will have to pay the actual difference if it is higher than 12,900, where it is mentioned that discount is between 10,900 to 12,900 rupees. Similarly, there are discounts on MacBook accessories, and here also the pricing is mentioned, the limit. uh, that means you'll only have to pay the difference. So yeah, the Apple Pencil Pro normally comes to 11,900, but now just by being a student it comes to 10,900. So yeah, that's free money just saved by being student. As you're able to see, the education savings over here. Now, alright, let's build the iPad we actually want to buy. Let's select the iPad Air 13-inch, that is 74,900. Space gray color, 256 GB. That price shows 84,900 rupees versus the regular price is 89,900. Want Wi-Fi plus cellular, that's your choice. You also get to personalize your device. Apple lets you engrave text on the back for free. So I'm going to add over here Tech Byte Ashwin, just for fun. And yeah, please subscribe guys. This is my very first YouTube video. Now let's go ahead and save it. Now Apple Care Plus normally costs around rupees 9,900, but with the student offer you get it for rupees 8,900. That means another 1,000 rupees saved. Now without adding any accessories, our iPad cost rupees 84,900. Let's go ahead and add Apple Care, and that comes to rupees 93,800, which is still less than the previous price without the Apple Care. That was 1,800 rupees. Let's continue, and here is the place where the actual magic happens. Let's say we add the Apple Pencil Pro or any other device. So as I've explained earlier, you only need to pay the difference. That is, let's say if the cost is 24,900, then you get under discount between 10,900 to 12,900, and the rest you pay. Let's select Apple Pencil Pro and add it to the bag, and let's continue. Now let's go ahead and review the bag. So here we are. The current price which is shown 93,800 is with the Apple Care. Here's the Apple Pencil Pro which is added as an accessory. I'll just go ahead and add an engraving. You can personalize the Apple Pencil too. I'll add Tech Byte Ashwin, and let's go ahead and save it. The engraving is also free over here. Let's save it. Now you have a personal Apple Pencil Pro and personalized 13-inch iPad Air Wi-Fi that costs rupees 84,900. I don't think I require an Apple Care Plus, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it for now. And the updated price will be shown below, that is rupees 84,900. So it becomes free, the Apple Pencil Pro, because Apple deducts rupees 10,900 straight from our total, and instead of paying like a normal user, my card shows iPad that is rupees 84,900. That means the Apple Pencil Pro after discount is rupees 0. That's a total saving of rupees 16,900 to 17,900 depending on whether you add Apple Care Plus. Let us straight away sign in. You get two options when you are going to check out. One is for a free delivery. I'll be selecting the option to pick up the order from the nearest Apple store. So I live near Apple Korea Park, so I'll be choosing the pickup option, just for some photos and unboxing and all. So I'll just go ahead and fill in the details. because I'm going to pick it up. Now let's continue the payment option. And then I'll just add my payment details. So I have just added my billing details, and I'll just review the order here. If you are able to see, only the iPad's price has been taken, that is rupees 84,900. Confirming the billing and payment details and continue. Here we are. I'll just generate the QR code and do the payment. And bam, there you go. With the savings of around 16,000 to 18,000 rupees, you have both your products. In fact, the pencil is free of cost, I would say. So let's go ahead and recap what we have seen quickly in this video. The normal consumer price we have seen of rupees 1,01,800. But with the student price of the iPad plus the Apple Pencil Pro is same as the price of iPad Air, that is rupees 84,900. That is after the discount of 5,000 rupees. Again, I'd like to mention that the Apple Pencil Pro is free over here. Added the Apple Care Plus, it is still less than the normal consumer amount, and which comes up to rupees 93,800, which I had shown earlier. And that's it, guys. That's the full breakdown of Apple's student discount, which is live right now till the 30th of September. If you're a student and you've been waiting to buy an iPad or MacBook, this is literally the best time to do it. I've shown you every step from checking the regular price to walking through the UNiDAYS portal. Now you just have to verify your student status and grab the discount. I would also say congratulations to everyone who is willing to buy this before the deadline. And yeah, guys, remember, this is not a sponsored video, neither from Apple nor from UNiDAYS. It's just that I just wanted to make tech simple for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Navratri once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep loving, keep subscribing, as this is my first YouTube video. Also stay tuned, as I'm going to drop a video of the iPad Air soon and the features into it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.